Hi, welcome, bienvenidos. It's your girl Yessie, and I'm back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a look using the Huda Beauty LoveFest eyeshadow palette. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Alrighty, besties, amigas. Today I want to do a look with the newest eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty, the LoveFest eyeshadow palette. She released this palette along with her perfume. I didn't get that, but you know, I love me a good eyeshadow palette. So I got this from Sephora, and I really like this outer packaging. It's really pretty. It's different. I'm digging it though. And of course it comes with a plastic outer packaging. The LoveFest Obsessions eyeshadow palette. But yeah, this has a 24-month shelf life, and again, this is how the palette looks. This is the back, and let's open this up. Okay, so it has a decent sized mirror, and these are the beautiful colors inside. So yeah, why don't we just jump in? So I'm actually going to use this mirror right here. Okay, so let's see. And before I forget, eyebrows are done. I didn't use anything new. Per usual, I outlined my eyebrows with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in Ebony, and then I used the dual powder in Ebony as well. And then I carved out my eyebrows and primed my lids with the MAC paint pot in a soft ochre, and then I lightly set that with my translucent powder. So that's all I have going on in the eyes right now, and now I'm gonna jump into this palette. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. So yeah, all right, so I'm gonna grab a blending brush. I'm gonna grab this Morphe times Ariel blending brush. This is the 811. It's just a fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna go into the color, I'm not sure, these don't have any names, but I'm gonna go into this color right here, and I'm gonna use that color all over my crease, or in my crease. Oh wow, that's pretty pigmented. Okay, that's really pretty. That's really, really, really pretty for like an everyday, right? Very pretty. Alright, so that's what that peachy color looks like. Now I'm going to grab another blending brush. This is the Morphe times Mickey and Friends eyeshadow brush, and this is the MM5. This is a more like tapered blending brush. It's not as fluffy as the Ariel one. But I'm going to use this brush to go into this salmon color right here. And I'm going to use that color right in my crease. So right here. So this is like a true pink. Salmon pink. Now I'm going to go into a more tapered brush. This is the Morphe M433. So as you can see, it's more tapered. And I'm gonna go into the color, this color right here. And I'm gonna use this for my outer corner. So this right here, I'm gonna try to build it and then blend it out. Okay, now I'm gonna grab my blending brush, which is the MM5, and with no additional color, I'm just gonna blend the edges out right here. I'm gonna dab into this salmon color right here and use that color to blend out this edge right here. Okay, and I'm gonna go back in with the dark purple, and I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay, so this is how it should look like. Now I'm going to grab my glitter glue, and I'm going to grab the Too Faced glitter glue, and I'm gonna grab a flat brush, and I'm just going to add a little bit onto the brush, just a tiny little dot, and I'm gonna spread it out on this part of the lid. I always use this with all my shadows because of course we're gonna go in with the metallics, the glitters, and this is something I always do or try to. Okay. Alright, so first I think I'm gonna go in with the swirl color, and then I'm gonna go into this color right here. I just want to see what the colors look like, so this is what the swirl color looks like, and I'm just gonna add it to, oh, that's a pretty color. Wow, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Wow, that's gorgeous, right? So now I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm going to apply it all over over this purple color. Ooh, wow, that is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Stunning. Hello. Like, look at that. I know it's not blended out, I know, but just look at this color. Jeez. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with that brush that we used, this burgundy color, and I'm just gonna go over it over here to try and blend it out a little bit. That is super stunning. Oh my goodness. Now I'm gonna go in with the blending brush, and I'm gonna tap into this color right here, and I'm just gonna go over the crease. That's such a pretty color. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Alright, so I'm gonna do this eye. Okay, so this is how the eyeshadow looks. I mean, the shimmers look so pretty. So pretty. So let me finish my face, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. I'll show you how it looks with, you know, with foundation, lashes, and all that jazz. So I'll be right back. And I'm back. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? So I loved how it turned out. I love the shades in this LoveFest eyeshadow palette. I think they're really nice colors. The metallics are actually really nice. I love this purple It's so pretty, especially when the light hits it, like in person. It's really, really, really pretty. I had no issues blending, no patchiness, and you can get subtle looks and you can get like grungy looks. Like this eggplant color, like off the bat, is really pigmented. So I mean, that's good if you wanna, you know, wanna have a night out. Then you can definitely create a dark eye look using that color if you want to amp it up. But yeah, so far, like, I really like it. If you're in the market for, you know, these types of shades, I think this would be a good palette because not only is it like good quality, but it has a mixture. You can go from light to dark, and you know, you don't really have to think about it too much. There's only what, 9 shades, so I think that's perfect for an everyday. So yeah, this is the look that I came out with and I loved it. I hope you loved it as well. So yeah, this is all for me today. I hope you're having a great day wherever you are, and I'll catch you on the next one.